Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Blue Computing. This is the first video on the channel. Today, I am going to show you how to speed up your computer without using any software. Let's start the procedure. First, we will learn about some reason that makes your computer slow. Number 1, computer virus. Make sure your computer contains no viruses. Use a registered version of antivirus software and scan your files periodically. Number 2, computer hard disk drive. The classic hard disk drive has some mechanical parts, so it slows down over time. Use a solid-state drive, that means SSD, for faster and better performance. Some other reasons can slow down your computer. Now, I am going to show you some tips that will make your computer faster. Go to Run from the search bar and write msconfig for your Windows computer. Please enter. The system configuration dialog box will appear. Click on the Boot tab and click Advanced Options. Click on the number of processor boxes and click Maximum Memory. On the number of processors, select the highest number of processors and click OK. Now click on the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Here, you disable most of the apps that you do not want to load at the time of computer starts. You see that most of the tasks are disabled. You can enable and disable tasks by clicking the right button of the mouse. I am going to show you some examples. After completing, click Apply and click Yes. Now click on OK. A confirmation box will appear and will ask you to restart your computer. You just restart your computer. After restarting, go to the search box and click Run. Write the %temp% and enter. You can see a large number of files. From the keyboard, press Ctrl and A to select all the files. Later, press Shift and Delete to permanently delete those files. Click Yes. You see that some files are not deleting. Click Do this for all current items box and click Skip. After that, go to the search box again and click Run. Write temp and enter. You can see a large number of files here. From the keyboard, press Ctrl and A to select all the files. Later, press Shift and Delete to permanently delete those files. Click Yes. Click Do this for all current items box and click Skip. After completing all the steps, restart your computer. I hope your computer will now perform better than in the past. Comments me if you face any problem. Thanks for watching the full video.